Let's start off and create a wall inside of Revit. Just make sure that your ground floor in the floor plan section is bold so that you know you're in the ground floor view. Click on the Wall button, and all you need to do is click to start drawing a wall. Revit's creating dimensions and angles automatically as you draw the wall. If I want to stop the wall that I'm drawing, but I want to remain in the same command, I hit Escape once. You can see that the cursor is a crosshairs. That means I'm still in the command and able to continue drawing the wall. If I hit Escape twice, I exit the command. You can see the mouse has gone back to a pointer and I'm no longer in the wall function. WA is the shortcut for wall, and I can just keep drawing. And I'm going to hit Escape, and that's how you draw walls in Revit. The next thing that I want to do is clean up the drawing. I've made a bit of a mess inside of this view, and I want to isolate and delete the walls without deleting anything else. The way to do that is to select everything. There's two ways that you can select everything inside of Revit. One way is from the top right to left, and you get a selection box that will select everything that touches the box. You can see as those walls cross the box, they get selected. Now, if I select from left to right, it's only objects that are inside the box that get selected. I'm to select everything on the screen with one selection. Once I've selected multiple objects, the Filter button automatically pops up. So I'm going to click on Filter, and that's going to show everything that's selected inside of the view. You can see walls, views, and elevations are selected. Just to explain why it shows 5 views and 4 elevations selected, it's because Revit looks at an elevation tag and calls the tag the elevation and the head over here a view. So we've got a selection as well, so that's one view, and that's also one view. So it's counting 5 views and 4 elevations. So deselect everything, then click to select only the walls. Now you can see that the walls are all blue because they've been selected, and so now I hit Delete on my keyboard, and I've deleted the walls without deleting the elevations or selection markers.